Have you ever looked at an old shirt, pair of jeans, or forgotten jacket and thought, that thing is one laundry cycle away from retirement? Hold on, because I was scrolling Pinterest and found some upcycled clothing ideas that had me doing a double take. Some of these look like something you'd see in a boutique with a price tag that makes your wallet suddenly need emotional support. Today, we're looking at creative ways people turned ordinary clothes into something completely different, stylish, and surprisingly cute. I linked the Pinterest board in the description so you can check out the ideas and patterns for yourself. And I want you to vote for your favorite idea because once we hit 100 votes, I might recreate the winning one in my own style. Some of these are genius, some are unexpected, and one of them made me think, wait a minute, I might actually need to try that myself. Let's jump in and see what we found scrolling Pinterest. One thing I love about upcycled clothing is that it reminds me how easy it is to look at something and decide its story is over. An old pair of jeans gets tossed aside because of a rip. A shirt gets pushed to the back of the closet because it is out of style. A jacket gets ignored because it has a stain or a missing button. We see those things and think the value is gone, the purpose is gone, and there is nothing left to do with it. Then somebody with creativity walks by and sees something completely different. They do not see trash. They do not see something worn out. They see possibilities. The funny thing is, life can work the same way. Sometimes we can feel like we are behind, like we missed our opportunity, like we should have accomplished something already. Maybe there was a goal you wanted to chase years ago and it got buried underneath responsibilities, work, stress, or everyday life. Maybe there is something sitting in your heart that you have wanted to do for a long time. Sometimes we treat ourselves the same way we treat that old shirt sitting in the back of the closet. We look at ourselves and only notice the wear and tear, but creativity teaches a different lesson. It says the story is not over yet. It says there is still potential here. It says there are still ideas waiting to happen. Hidden treasure does not always look shiny at first. Sometimes hidden treasure looks like an old jacket, forgotten dream, or a person who simply needs a new beginning. If you are enjoying this video, make sure you like and subscribe for more sewing, crafting, and creative inspiration. I also have a tutorial playlist linked below with tutorial videos from previous creations and different ideas. I also linked helpful products below, including sewing machines, sewing machine needles, and supplies that may make creating easier. Keep watching because there are more ideas ahead. And when this video ends, click into the next video waiting for you, and I will see you there.